Hey guys, gonna show you a quick video how to put on a Rs19 decal for the LED lights. Alright, so what I like to do first before I put any decal on, I like to pre-peel it, that way it doesn't get stuck to the backing. So just peel it like that, put it back, and then peel the other side back. Make sure it gets stuck to the transfer paper when you're peeling it. But this is for like a easy application, that's why you do that. So what I want to do is I want to put it on this right here, line it up just right. So what I do is I cut. You're gonna need scissors. You'll get a decal like this, and you want to cut as close as you can to the edge without actually cutting the decal. Just cut as close as you can. You don't have to cut all around it, just the parts probably like where it curves and where it's straight at, just so you can line that up. Once you line that up, then it's gonna pretty much line up. Alright, so now we're gonna lay it down. So what I do is I pull, how I like to line things up is I just pull a little bit piece back. That way if you mess up, it's not a big deal. You could probably peel it back up again. So I like pull about that much, just have a little bit sticky part showing on there. And then you'll line it up. Maybe pull it back just a little bit more, just so the way it sticks. Just match it up, make sure it's lined up. Looks good. So now once you get that part on, you'll pull a little bit more back and line it up. Line it up to right here, make sure looks like it's gonna line up on the end. Okay. Pull some more back. Just peel it off so it doesn't get in the way. Still got some more there left. Looks good. I'll try to line it up here. You know what? Probably be easier to cut it a little back so I can see the edge. That's good. Just line this edge up to the edge right here of the light. Just lay it down. Just keep doing that until you get to the end. So far so good, and I think that's just it. Should go in there pretty smooth now. Alright. If you guys want one of these overlays for your Rs19, I'll put a link in the description where you can get them. Alright. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. Give you a closer look. Give you an idea. There you go. On both sides. See how nice that look? How clean that came out? That's pretty much it. Alright guys, have a good one.